This is Yesha making calamansi juice. Okay, get one calamansi, anak. Here. No, don't. Yan, there. Oh, squeeze it. No. Yan, like this. Always the slice part. There you go. Okay, Yesha's turn. Okay. And squeeze it hard. Squeeze it hard. Okay. Good.
It's dirty.
Meron pa. No, it's not dirty. Okay. Okay. Oh, help me. Squeeze this one. Squeeze this one for Papa.
Okay.
Oh, this one. Help. Not my hands. Yeah. There you go. Squeeze it. No. It's okay. You can wash your hands after. Okay? Okay.
Daddy, hooray!
Hooray.
Daddy, do you want to wash your hands?
Yes, later. After I'm finished doing my calamansi juice. Because Daddy has cough and colds.
Daddy, your feet is dirty.
My feet is dirty? Okay, we'll wash it later.
Daddy, the other feet is this one. Ouchie, and this one ouchie.
And why is it ouchy?
Your feet is dirty. I cleaned your feet.
Okay, so our calamansi juice.
Let's make it mommy juice.
Yay! Okay, we're done. Okay, after we're done with this one, okay, we're going to put some honey on it. Okay? Okay, we throw the seeds, then we put this here, then let's go here. Okay.
Daddy, I want to make the other one milk.
Well,
What are you doing, Daddy?
putting some honey. Okay, that's good. I think that's good enough.
Wow, yummy!
Mommy, are you going to taste it?
Yes!
You sure?
Yes!
Okay, I think it's...
Daddy, let's put the other rack and put the other rack.
Okay, we're going to put some
Daddy, that's the water. And Daddy, what's that?
water.
Wow! Yummy!
Okay, then let's go here.
Yes!
You want to taste it?
Let's roll it. I want me.
Oh, you mix it. Good. Oh. That is gonna taste it first. Asim pa, asim. Wait, I'm gonna put some asim. I'm gonna put more honey.
Daddy, let's ice some. I'll help you.
Okay, that's enough.
Opening. Ew, that's dirty.
Okay, I'll taste the honey. Taste the honey first. Taste the honey.
Yummy.
Yummy?
Asim?
Asim? No, it tastes good. Let's see. Yummy. Taste. Taste mo. Taste.
It's so.
Use it. Spoon. Oh, taste. Taste mo. It's good. It's good.
I want.
It's tamis. It's tamis.
I don't want it.
You taste it. Okay.